Goldman Sachs planning to lay off hundreds of workers beginning as soon as next week. What does that mean for...
Every big giant tech companies lay off. But why? And why tech companies drop? Why? According to the data in 2023, the number of jobless people is going to increase from 3 million people to 208 million people. But why jobless people increase? If that means companies don't need humans, and what happen if company run by robots? We will know everything about in this video, but before starting video, don't forget to make our family big by clicking on subscribe button. Why companies lay off? Layoffs are often used by companies to reduce cost and improve efficiency. A company decided to lay off employees for a variety of reasons, including downsizing due to a decrease in demand for its products and services or financial hardship. Other reasons for layoff may include changes in technology, a shift in market demand, or simply a company's decision to focus on other areas. That's some reason of layoff. And what happens if a company don't need employees? If a company chooses to replace its employees with robots, it will likely to reduce the number of jobs available in the market. This could lead to higher unemployment rates and decrease in consumer spending, which could ultimately affect the entire economy. And robots are more expensive to purchase and maintain than humans employees, so the cost of production may increase, and finally company may face legal and ethical issues if it chooses to replace humans. And after layoff, employees who have been laid off may face a variety of problems, including financial worries, difficulty finding new jobs, and other health problems that may arise, include a decrease in health benefit. They got a tension about their family. Why these companies are fall? Tech companies fall more than 30% because of war. War broke out between Russia and Ukraine. Oil prices and inflation. Wages remain low for many workers. Interest rates rise and many fear about beginning of a recession. No one says that how long it will go. People worried about their future that robot will remove humans. Directly this could not happen, but indirectly technology removing. Because our dependency on technology increase, we can't live without technology.